Hi viewers, today we will see basic ECG and interpretation. I am Kaliselvi Xavier. At the end of the class, the students will be able to know about ECG, conductive system of heart, ECG paper and 12 leads, ECG waves, what are the purposes of ECG, equipment used in ECG, procedure preparation for patient and equipments, and how to do step-by-step standard ECG settings, implementation for ECG, 5 steps for analyzing ECG, and interpretation normal and abnormal results, and how to calculate the ECG and heart rate calculation, nursing care for ECG handling, and how to precautions and complications. As a nurses or being in bedside should know about the importance of ECG and how to identify the problems of ECG. But many of the nurses difficult to recognize the ECG and finding difficult to analyze the and interpretation of ECG. When you are knowing the ECG, ECG is very easy once when you are knowing all the steps and understanding the concept and procedures. In the class, we will see what are the basic knowledge about ECG. ECG, that is the electrocardiography, is the most commonly used step for evaluating cardiac status. Graphically records the electrical current generated by the heart. Because being a ECG, the current from the heart, it will be radiates from the heart in all the directions and reaching the skin is measured by electrodes connected to a amplifier and strip chart recorder, that is the ECG machine. In that ECG machine there is a recording papers, that is the ECG recording paper. It is like graphical paper, that is in the recording the paper we can see the lines. That line is called grid, and the strip chart recording paper we can see the size, that is the above and below we can see, that is the waveform, that is called amplifier size. What is the definition? The electrocardiogram is a representation of the electrical events of the cardiac cycle. It is one of the most valuable frequency used diagnostic tool. Electrocardiography displays heart's electrical activity as waveforms. 12 lead ECG uses a series of electrodes placed on extremities and chest wall to assess the heart from 12 lead different waves. What you have to understand here, ECG is giving representation of the heart, the cardiac cycle. What is the heart is, how it is heart is functioning. Before to know about ECG, we must know about what is the conductive system. As you all know that the conductive system from the heart, it is starting from the atrial node. From the atrial node, it is acting as a pacemaker. The stimulation from the brain, the heart is started to conduct from the atrial node to sinoatrial node to atrial ventricle, and from the atrial ventricle to Purkinje fibers to a bundle of his, and it is radiating to the all over the body. Each time your heart beats, electrical signal travels through the heart. These signals cause different parts of the heart to expand and contract. What is ECG paper? As beginning, we must know about basic of ECG paper. ECG paper is it is called grid of small or large squares. You have seen in that, no? It is a small or large squares. Each small square represent 40 milliseconds in time along the horizontal axis. Each large square contains 5 small squares that representing 200 ms. The standard paper speeds and square markings allows easy measurement of cardiac timing intervals. There are the 12 different leads, as you all know that lymph leads, lead 1, lead 2, lead 3, and the augmented limb leads AVF, AVL and AVR, and the precordial or chest leads V1 through V6. This is the ECG image waveforms. We have to know about what is the waveform. Normally consists of three identical waveforms, that is a P wave and QRS complex and T wave. The P wave depicts atrial depolarization, QRS complex ventricle depolarization, and the T wave ventricle repolarization. This is the image of PQRS complex and T waves. P wave, here if you are seeing that the small box, each small box, it has 0.04 second it will take to move in that ECG paper, and the one square box, okay, the whole box it is covering, the arrow is shown 0.2 second. Like that the 5 box it's contained, it is a 1 second. The purposes of ECG, okay, when we are doing the ECG, what is the purpose? Okay, usually it help identify primary conduction abnormalities, cardiac arrhythmias, cardiac hypertrophy, pericarditis, electrolyte imbalances, myocardial ischemia, site and extent of myocardial infarction. To monitor recovery from an MI, evaluate the effectiveness of cardiac medications, to assess pacemaker performance, to determine effectiveness of thrombolytic therapy and the resolution of ST segment depression or elevation and T wave changes. This is the ECG image. Equipments: ECG machine, recording paper, electrodes and gel, alcohol swab, pad. Steps for placement of electrodes: 12 leads ECG. Prepare the skin. Find and mark the placement for the electrodes. First identify V1 and V2. Next find and mark V3, V6. Apply electrodes to the chest V1 to V6. Connect wires from V1 to V6 to the recording device. Apply limb leads. Here now we will see procedure for patient preparation. Patient preparation for electrocardiography. First you have to explain the patient how to lie down still and relax and breathe normally during the procedure if the patient is conscious and oriented. Note current cardiac drug therapy on the test request form, as well as any other pertinent clinical information like chest pain and pacemaker. And explain the test is painless. It will take at least 5 to 10 minutes. Preparation of equipments. Place the ECG machine close to the client's bed and plug the cord into the wall outlet or battery operated, ensuring whether it is functioning well. Turn on the machine. Input required client information. Check machine settings or stand. Here we will see step by step standard ECG settings. Enter menu button by pressing the knob. Here we can see the print setup exit. Then rotate knob and highlight menu blue light. Then enter by press knob. Now we will see the important implementations. Place the patient in a supine or semi-polar position before doing the procedure. Expose the chest, angles and wrists. Place electrodes on the inner aspect of the wrist, on the medial aspect of the lower legs and on the chest. After all electrodes are in place, connect the lead wires. Press the start button and input any required informations. Make sure that all leads are represented in the tracing. If not determined with the electrodes has come loose, reattach it and restart the tracing. All recording and other nearby electrical equipment should be prepared properly grounded. Make sure that the electrodes are firmly attached. 5 steps when analyzing an ECG. First we have to, after taken the ECG, we have to see first P wave. That is the first step. Then you should see the relationship between P waves and the QRS complex. The last, the QRX, the third steps we have to see QRS morphology, and the fourth step search for other clues. Any clues are there for any changes, and interpret the rhythm and clinical settings. Before interpretation, we must know the normal results. P wave that does not exceed 2.5 mm in height lasts longer than 0.12 second. It is the normal values 0.12 second. PR interval, it persisting for 0.12 to 0.2 second for heart rates above 60 seconds per minute. QT interval that varies with the heart rate and lasts 0.4 to 0.52 second for heart rates above 60 beats per minute. The voltage of the R waves leads V1 through V6 that does not exceed 27 mm. Total QRS complex lasting 0.06 to 0.1 second. Other intervals and as follows: RR interval 0.6 to 1.2 seconds. These are all the values you must remember. We have to by God, or we have to learn this one, of course. B P wave 80 milliseconds, PR intervals 120 to 200 milliseconds, PR segment 50 to 120 milliseconds, QRS complex 80 to 100 milliseconds, ST segment 80 to 120 milliseconds, T wave 160 milliseconds. This is the imagination. One small square 0.4 second, one large square 0.2 second, 5 large square 1 second, 30 large boxes 6 second. QRS complex 0.04 to 0.12 second, PR intervals 0.12 to 0.20 second, and we can see the ST segment. What are the abnormal results? When we can see it in the ECG, MI, right or left ventricular hypertrophy, arrhythmias, right or left bundle branch block, ischemia, conduction defects or pericarditis, and electrolyte abnormalities, abnormal wave swarms during angina episodes or during. Here the what is the heart rate, how to calculate the heart rate from the ECG. The heart rate, what are the RR interval, the 4 large squares. The formula is a 300 divided by number of large squares in one RR intervals. 300 divided by 4 equal to 75 beats per minute. The roles of the nurse, ECG nursing. When the machine finishes recording the 12 lead ECG, remove the electrodes and clean the client's skin. After disconnecting the lead wires from the electrodes, clean and dry the electrodes as per manufacturer instruction. Assist the client to a comfortable position. Ensure the bed is in low position. Remove any remaining equipments and wash your hands. Label ECG recording with patient name, medical record name, number, date, time, signature. Document the procedure in nurse's. Precautions: the recording equipment and other nearby electrical equipment should be properly grounded to prevent electrical interference. Double check color codes and lead markings to be sure connectors match. Make sure that the electrodes are firmly attached and reattach them if loose skin contact is suspended. Don't use cable that are broken, frayed or bare. Complication: skin sensitive to the electrodes. These are all the references used by the teacher.